Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone is doing well. I hope, like me, you're looking forward to a great weekend. Thank you for tuning in. So I have quite some opportunities for us in this video. These opportunities are with Staples. We also have Walgreens. These opportunities are very unique. I am going to be talking through the details of each of them. So without further ado, let's dive right into the leads. The first opportunity is with Staples. So Staples is looking for a technical finance analyst. They are asking for you to only reside in the United States. As long as you reside in the US, you qualify for this opportunity. So you do not need to be in any specific state to qualify. Let's talk about details about this opportunity. The first one, compensation range is $71,000 plus bonus opportunity. So there is also an opportunity for you to earn bonus. For this particular role, the finance automation and optimization team is looking for a technical finance analyst to work directly with functional leaders in various areas of finance, including corporate accounting, supply chain, FP&A, to enable and support Staples' growth and continuous improvement through data-driven insight and analytics. So different databases you have access, and eventually you're going to start learning different languages like SQL, like Python, and so forth. Right now with this role, it is going to be focusing on that. There would be SQL. So you're going to be focusing on data-driven, actionable insights, and you're going to be performing analytics on those data points to sort of help create, the action points that needs to happen. So they're talking about, Python, SQL Server management, Tableau or Power BI. So Power BI as well as Tableau is another one that is very, very relevant here. So keep all of that in mind. What are the requirements? Self-starter with strong analytical and proven and problem-solving skills, including working with large data sets. If you have worked with large data sets before to perform pivot tables, to perform VLOOKUP, they become relevant here. So work closely with leadership in both finance and business teams, strong interpersonal skills, attention to detail, innovative mindset, ability to work collaboratively and across cross-functional teams. They want to see that you can work with others. So calling that out on your resume is very, very important. Try to take your time, read through the job description, amend your resume to sort of reflect that before you hit submit. Okay? All right, they're asking for 1 to 3 years working experience in analytical tools. So they want to see that you can use SQL. They want to see that you're good with Python. So that is the first opportunity. We're going to move on to the next opportunity, which is with Walgreens. Walgreens is looking for patient care advocate. So work from home opportunity, but you do need to reside in Michigan. As a patient care advocate, you're going to provide new and existing patients with the best possible patient experience in relation to their prescriptions, clinical services, billing inquiries, feedback, as well as suggestions. So this is really the frontline staff. You're going to be interacting with patients as well as other stakeholders very frequently. The expectation is really for you to be empathetic, for you to be somebody that is able to navigate conflict, able to really navigate managing different personalities. So all of that is important here. You're going to receive inbound calls, you're going to perform outbound calls. Keep all of that in mind as you consider whether or not to submit your application. Walgreens obviously is a pharmacy, so really a lot of pharmacy expectations with this role, not from the perspective of being an expert, but really just having a generic understanding of how all of that works. You would be escalating calls, transferring calls, issues to clinicians if that becomes relevant or if that becomes something that is needed. Overall, you are really just managing different people as they call through the phone to resolve their issues. Some of them will be non-clinical where you can actually manage those yourself. Some of them will be clinical where you have to hand over those calls to more seasoned clinicians to help. What are the basic qualifications? They're asking for high school diploma or GED, experience providing customer service, so customer service experience, and then basic level PC skills, Microsoft Office, Windows, and other programs as well that Microsoft offers. You have Excel, you have Microsoft Word, all of that are important here. They do talk about preferred qualifications. They have on here specialty pharmacy, have that type of experience, or if you've worked in healthcare before, make sure you call all of that out in your resume. All right, the next opportunity we're going to be looking at is with ABS kids. One thing I do want to talk about ABS is they often have a lot of roles. They just had a data entry role that recently closed, but definitely they are always hiring. They are always hiring for customer service role, data entry roles. They always focus on those, and most of them are remote. So definitely check them out in the future as well as you continue your search. But let's talk specifically about these two opportunities. The first one is ABA caseload coordinator. This is a fully remote opportunity. They're looking for an ABA caseload coordinator to assist with onboarding new patients. This role is going to be focused on ensuring behavioral analyst caseload information is up to date and so much more. You're really going to make sure that the behavioral analyst caseload information is up to date, making sure whatever is being documented is correct, because that's what's going to determine how effective the entire organization or the entire triage system works. Our administrative support team plays a vital role in advancing our mission to make a difference in the lives of children with autism spectrum disorder, helping different children and their respective families to help them manage better. What would you do? Determine onboarding of new patients and add to caseload under appropriate behavioral analysts. Ensure caseload information is up to date. Create and complete tasks in Central Reach. Keep all spreadsheet databases up to date. So this is really a data entry role, because from all you're going to be doing, you are really focusing on data. You're making sure that information that are being documented in different systems are up to date. If they are not, correcting it. And if there are specific information, particularly about the patients, their records, ensuring that all that information are corrected and up to date. With this opportunity, the salary is between $17 and $19 per hour and is based on qualifications. You are entitled to full benefits because it is a full-time opportunity, casual work environment, opportunity for advancement. They have that called out here. That is important too, right? So as we take on new roles, we always want to look out for, do they have, and that is a very good question to ask in an interview. Do you have growth pathway for this role? Do you have growth pathway for this opportunity? As an organization, are there opportunities for growth for individuals? So all of those type of questions are very relevant and important interview questions. What are the requirements for this role? They're asking for a minimum of high school diploma. Bachelor's degree is preferred, but it's not required. 2 years of medical office, scheduling, or intake experience. Knowledge of HIPAA rules, strong communication skills, critical thinker, someone that is able to work independently and also able to work with others, Microsoft Office products, familiarity, that's important. All of that are relevant with this role. The next opportunity, ABA Benefits and Authorization Specialist, is the title. It's also a fully remote opportunity. With this opportunity, you're going to be working with regional directors, intake team to fulfill caseloads. So BCBAs caseloads. BCBAs are clinicians that are not licensed. They may be certified, but they are not licensed. An example of that is CNA. So CNA is a certified nursing assistant. They are not required to have any license. Obviously, they need to be certified. So those are categorized as BCBAs. This individual is going to work with regional directors and intake team to help fulfill BCBAs caseloads, making sure that all of their caseloads are updated accordingly to reflect actual numbers. You're going to be verifying Medicaid eligibility. You're going to be working with different families. You're going to be obtaining authorization for services from health insurance companies, problem solving, working with different people to ensure that their timesheet or other administrative expectations for their particular jobs are being done correctly and on time. They also want you to have knowledge of HIPAA regulations, high school diploma, GED, 2 years in customer service role. They're saying be able to do simple math. They're also asking for 2 years of medical or mental health experience and just be a computer literate. That's really all they're asking for here. According to my research, this opportunity is going to pay about $17.24 per hour. As you can see here, it's between $38,000 and $48,000 per year based on the salary. But the hourly is about $17.24 per hour. So those are the opportunities, guys. I hope you find these leads helpful. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel if you've not subscribed already. Turn your notification bell on so you get notified when I do post new videos. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Till next time, best of luck to you as you apply. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.